Hey rollers, welcome to How Ines Rolls, and guess what we're doing? Another haul. Are you ready to go? We're heading over to VONS. Let's go. To get or not to get? I have the hardest time finding the best cantaloupes. Oh my gosh. Not gonna lie, this is my kids' favorite aisle and favorite food right now. Let's find some sales. Alright, Ezra was asking for some popcorn, so let's see what I can get. And let's see if he'll actually eat it. Again, my dilemma with my kids is lunch. Oh my gosh, so we'll see what I can find them. Maybe some things from the freezer. Okay, I'm back and I was able to get, I think, a good amount of stuff. I didn't spend too much this week, just about a little over $100, $120, which is more reasonable in our budget. So right now, Paul was just rolling up a banner. We got our second oldest son is graduating this year, and of course with COVID going on, we just don't know when it's happening. He is currently right now in a senior parade, and he's with some friends, and they had a live stream, and I was watching it in VONS, and my eyes started tearing up. I go, I can't be watching this right now. So right now it's a little later, it's getting closer to 8 o'clock, and now let's go on with the haul, you guys. You can see right here we got some sodas, so some of our favorites. We've got some Fresca, some Diet Coke, and some Diet Root Beer. Why not? And then I have a 10-pound bag of potatoes and a yummy watermelon. That was only $5. I also got 3 of these pizzas. They were on sale for $2.99, so I was gonna just get 2 of them, but you know, 3 was better and on sale. So look at this one, you guys. Bacon lovers. Oh yes, that sounds actually kind of good. I might have to try a little. Another thing that we've got some ice creams. So they didn't have the one that Paul really likes, but this one was on sale and it says homemade vanilla. So we'll have to see. I know Jonas really loves their strawberry cheesecake, and I got some popsicles. Perfect for the summer, don't you think? So let me go put these all back in the freezer and then I'll keep going. So I got these cereals. They were $1.88 each, and my family really likes the Honey Nut Cheerios, and these Honey Nut Frosted Flakes are pretty darn good, you guys. So I know they'll like these, and like I said, right now they're really enjoying the cereals right now, the kids. It's summer, you know, it's warm here. I myself really do like having eggs and some toast, but I love eggs and tortillas, corn tortillas just as much. So let me know in the comments what your go-to breakfast is. With the boys, the pizza that I just showed you, plus, you know, I have some other things for lunches. They're just a little bit more particular. They want stuff now, so things that can be heated quickly. And, you know, they're just kids too. So it was kind of hard to find some things for their lunches. So let me kind of show you some of the things I did get. I got, you know, being a part of the VONS app and having that on my phone, I get the alerts or whatever about things on sale. So I got 5 of these. I hardly ever get these kinds of drinks, but they're 5 cents each for 5. So I got some different flavors for the kids for fun. You know, they can have, and when they're gone, they're gone. So this is kind of like a special treat for them. And maybe I'll make them share. I got some more milk for that cereal. Another loaf of Grandma Sycamore. And then these eggs were free, you guys, because of the app. So when you accumulate points, you get free rewards. So that's kind of nice, right? I got a couple packs of Oreos. These ones are the family size, and they were $3 each. So that's not bad for the big, huge size like this. I got Paul some more beef jerky. Oh, here's another kid lunch. Beef corn dogs. So these aren't cheap, you guys. These ones, because we are a family that only eats beef hot dogs, if we even have hot dogs. So that's why I got the boys the beef corn dogs. So hopefully they'll like them. It'll be easy to make in the oven for lunch, whatever. Let's keep going. All right, so here's some more produce. We got some apples and bananas. These were on sale too with the app, 99 cents a pound and 49 cents a pound. That's not bad. $1 for some celery, and I was thinking about making some chicken noodle soup with that. Oh, I forgot something. Darn. You guys do that like you're midway and totally forget something? Okay. So I have tomatoes and I have some broccoli to make some roasted broccoli. That's like our favorite way to eat it right now. And this big pack of London broil, which was on sale. There's 2 big steaks in here. So 1 steak is actually plenty for our family. So I'll probably just maybe see if Paul will just grill 1 and then we'll put 1 in the freezer. That'll work. All right, so we're in the last parts of my haul, but I wanted to show you something really special. Actually, it's my first time trying it, so we'll try it together. I just got some stuff for the drawers, some bags and foil. I got some sliced cheese. I've noticed that Kobe's been making some cheese sandwiches lately. About time. It's been like 2 months since they've been at school, and he hasn't made a cheese sandwich in that time. So got to get some more good stuff. And I got more tortillas so I can make some, of course, eggs with my tortillas. But I also got this Macayo's green enchilada sauce. It is really good, you guys. I've had a couple of different ones, and I really like that one. So if you have that as a choice, Macayo's, it's a good one. Okay, I ended up getting Ezra that popcorn, the movie theater kind. Look, Ez, I got you some popcorn. Remember you were asking for it? Well, we'll see if he eats it. Their cheese was on sale. This is like a big block, like Costco size, and it was like Costco price at $5.77. So that's really good. Okay, I have been seeing on Instagram for a while. There's a couple of girls that I follow. In fact, my friend even did this, Amber, and she said it was super good. So I'm going to have to try it. So I bought some berry mix of these yummy different kinds of berries, and then you get some creamer. Now, I wanted to get vanilla, but I didn't see the vanilla on sale or there. So I got sweet cream, which sounds really good, right? So we're just going to mix them. That easy. Let me get a bowl. Okay, so I just have my bowl. I'm going to put a little bit of berries in there. So this could be like a breakfast, a snack, a treat. Sounds all good to me. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of this. Now, these are actually really good in sodas. If you haven't had like a Coke with some of this, or a Diet Coke or Diet Dr. Pepper, that's kind of making it like dirty where it's cloudy. So good. And just pour this on top. I'm going to get a spoon. So they're frozen. So you're going to let it kind of sit there for a second so that the milk-ish kind of hardens up a little. Oh, this looks so yummy. It almost looks like a cereal of berries. I mean, really. Can't go wrong with that. Now we're going to give it a good try. Let me know if you guys love the berries. That is really good. And they're like kind of thawed out a little bit. Not like, so they're cold still, but oh, that was good. It's like, almost like having ice cream, like a berry ice cream. That is so good. Oh, yes. I am going to enjoy the rest of this, and I hope that you have a wonderful evening, and I'm so grateful that you stopped by the channel. If you give this a thumbs up, it lets me know that you love the hauls, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'd love to have you along. So stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.